Operation Reorganization, and our client is Sharon Davis.
And I believe we have a special designer on this episode.
That would be me.
Oh, okay. Well, that's exciting.
It is, it is. Of course, you know Sharon. She's a friend of ours from dancing.
Love Sharon. She's a previous client, super nice lady.
She is.
Who we've, like you said, we've done closet for her before.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, so she's moving from her house in Virginia Beach to a condo
Right.
down at the ocean front.
Right.
And she's got a super view and just a dynamite place. Yeah.
She's just gutted the place. And she's going to make it exactly the way she wants it. And she said the only thing that she'll really miss leaving her current residence is our closet.
Imagine that.
Imagine that. So she wants it recreated.
Right.
And it was a little tricky because while they're moving walls, they're adding walls.
Right.
So it'll be fun to see the final product, the finished job.
Right. And we're doing how many spaces for her?
The coat closet, the utility room, the linen closet, the guest room, the master closet, and a wall unit in the bedroom, so 6.
I think that, yeah, I think it's going to be a great install. And with that, we're looking forward to that and hope you guys enjoy this episode of Operation Reorganization.
My name is Sharon Davis, and we are going to work on new closets, new built-ins for a condo that I just bought a couple months ago. I sold my house that I've lived in for 44 years, and at the end of last summer, I was visiting friends in this condo, and I was sitting on the balcony and I'm thinking, oh, I could live here. I love it here. And I would go home and I'd look at what I had in my house and I'm like, I could leave everything here except my closet, my built-in, so I didn't want to leave my bedroom. Finally, I ran into Jeff, I think it was at a mall, and he said, oh yeah, I've heard you were looking at a condo. And I'm like, Jeff, you know, I would love to move, I can't leave my closet. And Jeff's like, Sharon, we can build you another closet. Anything you want, you tell me, we can build it. So I bought the townhouse, and if everybody could just look outside the window, they'd see why. The view was just $1 million view, I love it. I'm gonna meet Tami here in a little while today, and I can't wait for her to get here, and then we're going to go through this vast empty space and we're going to get started on the project, and I can't wait.
This is great. This is the perfect time to start the process. You have a blank slate.
Everything's gutted. I mean, you
see
can
that.
see. Yeah.
Wow.
So you can just tell me what you think looks great, and you know I'm going to love it. So
yeah, I can't wait. Golly.
You ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, this is the very first thing, just a small, this is kind of like a coat closet.
Right.
I think it was utility at one time, but I just want it to be for coats and maybe some storage up in the top of it.
What we'll do is we'll have one section for long coats and one for shortcut coats, double rod there. That way we'll use the vertical space wiser.
Oh, yeah.
Right. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
I like that.
All right.
That's
Good
good.
deal.
All right.
Easy.
On this side of the wall, there is, this is going to be more storage than anything for me. Plus,
Great you have this space.
I know. It's like the only good storage that I have. And I'm going to need to put the basics, vacuum cleaner,
Right.
you know, brooms and whatever in here.
Okay. First thoughts are shelving on this sidewall, but we'll get going on designs. But Can I use as much height as possible?
All the way to the ceiling. There's a light up there. Probably want to keep that.
Sure.
But
I'll stay away from it.
Anywhere around the light, every inch of space, I will.
I know we're going to need it.
I know.
Yeah.
I know you can do it.
Yes.
Okay. Let me show you the guest room.
Okay.
This is got a lot going on with the HVAC, but I've got this whole wall here is a closet. I have no clue what to do with it. I know I need a little bit of hanging, but I want to use it to store boxes for Christmas and things that I don't take out often.
So just a little bit of hanging space in here and the rest storage for big bulky items, boxes? Okay.
Like that.
Very good. Easy enough. Oh,
Okay,
nice.
what do you think?
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, so
All right,
what are we thinking
so-
about in here?
The bed's going to go
Bed's here, I can see that
okay,
already,
so
right.
this is the bed, and I need a total built-in, but it can't be very deep.
Right.
I want something that is ceiling to floor, and I want an electric fireplace in it and a TV.
All right.
And then maybe drawers or cabinets or
All right.
something like that.
All
And,
right.
Yeah. One thing that I really want that you did for me before was you figured a way to hang all of my jewelry, my necklaces.
right.
If maybe you could figure a way
Okay.
to do that,
That'll be
that
fun.
would be great. Yeah.
Okay.
And,
yeah, sure.
Okay.
Tell me what's going on here construction-wise with what
Oh.
was the closet. What's
Okay, that's the skeleton that's left from the closet. You can see there's like a beam. There's several of those through here, and there's nothing we can do about it, so we have to work around it.
Right, sure.
That's another long, narrow space, and really we need to come up with hanging clothes,
Right.
maybe some storage,
Drawers.
maybe some drawers,
Okay.
jewelry.
I think everything should flow. Everything should have the same feel and look and material. So behind doors, for sure, tall doors. We don't even need this header.
No, that would be great. I didn't like this anyway. With
Right,
that header,
right.
And that would be perfect.
So I have these two samples, and I'm thinking real beachy.
They are. Yeah. I like that. That's
Perfect.
Great.
Perfect.
All right.
All right. Well, now I need to start
You
measuring.
need to measure.
Right.
All right.
So we're-
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's get started.
All right, Sharon. I won't be but a little while, and I'll have
All right.
designs for you to
All
see in a few
right.
days.
Thanks,
Okay,
Tammy.
sure.
All right.
Hi, we're the Closet Factory installers. Welcome to Pro Tips.
1, 2, 3.
Pro Tips.
Pro tip, talk to somebody if you need help in dealing with a problem in your space. You know, a lot of times you might be the only person there and the installer, and if something goes wrong, it's okay to pick up the phone and talk to a friend while we do our job. It's really okay.
What we're working on today is an entertainment unit that's going to have a fireplace right here. Should be pretty cool. What I'm doing right now is I'm building the base structure. It's going to have drawers on either side, a shelf with 2 doors right here, and then an upper section here that'll have doors and some pull-out trays. You see right here, they've pretty much mocked up where this fireplace is going to be going. There'll be a mantle and then a space for a television up here. So it all should be pretty cool when it's done. concludes the drawers. They look pretty sharp. I like these handles that are on here. And you see the top one is a jewelry drawer with the insert. The rest of them are regular. All sorts of space. All right, we're getting ready to wrap things up here. The closets are all set and nail holes filled and the area's caulked. Now it's time to go and get the client.
All right, here we are. Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Oh, this looks so great.
It really
Oh,
does.
this is beyond what I could imagine. I didn't.
It just fits the room so well.
It does, and I was so worried about the height of it, and I trusted you. I'm so glad. Oh, it looks fabulous.
I'm so glad. Let's have a look
The
at what's-
color.
the storage.
Goes with everything.
It does. When you told me your vision,
Yeah.
I knew you'd love this
Yeah.
finish. It's just so it's beachy, but a little bit more contemporary.
Yes.
So it's got a great
Yeah.
coastal feel.
Oh, and the way you did the incense, and I can't get over how great it is.
I'm so glad you like it.
I was
I'm
so
so
excited.
Let's have a tour. So,
Okay.
you know, one of our main objectives was to get as much storage in this bedroom as possible.
Right.
And that's why we wanted all the vertical space to be used.
Oh, wow. I had so much stuff and I was worried about getting everything in here, and I may not even fill all the shelves. This is incredible. I love that. And then a little,
So you got to pull out. So anything that you
Yeah.
don't want to have to kind of dig for,
yeah.
you've got it all the access to the back spaces of the drawer, and it tucks away behind the doors.
Yes,
So-
I like that. Could
They're
be
soft
like my
clothes.
junk drawers.
Yeah, exactly. That'll get filled up first.
Yes.
Jewelry tray, right?
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. That is wonderful.
Everything's really accessible, and you can put your boxes if you want to keep them in their boxes. So there's some height in there.
So nice. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy you suggested that.
Yeah,
I would have never even thought of it. That
All
was
women
great.
need one.
I know.
Yeah, it's a
I
must-have.
know. That's, yes.
And the drawers are all, golly, they're so nice because they
my
all come out
gosh.
100%.
I was going to say, no digging all the way to the
Right,
back.
right.
Oh, yes. I love that. And
That's
they-
so nice. The hardware, perfect. I loved what you chose.
And yeah, that was hard. I wasn't sure, and you never trust your judgment 100%. And yeah, your suggestions were good. I love that.
And storage down here below. So again, you've just got a lot.
I don't know how you
storage.
created so much space out of such a little tiny area. Oh my God, this is incredible. Love it, Tami.
Thank you. I'm glad you do. This will be in my front page of the portfolio for sure.
Yeah, you exceeded your last one that you did for me at my other house. Oh my gosh.
Well, I
this
know
is so
you.
much better. I know.
And
that's
it's easier to work
yeah.
with someone you really know.
And that's
yeah.
And you
Yeah.
hit it right on the nose.
Oh.
Oh,
You wanna see
wonderful.
the closet.
Oh gosh, yes. I can't wait. Oh, Tami. Oh my God. You recreated. No, you did better than recreated my old closet. God, you guys did it again. This is unbelievable.
It
The
really,
whole space that you
again,
made.
right. Making the best, again, of the vertical space. So we were able to put more shelving over your hanging sections. Of course, shoes, that's, huge.
Oh, yeah, you know how many shoes I have. It's like you had a wall stretcher. I can't believe this.
Need one of
This
those,
is-
actually.
Yes.
Ballet rod,
Oh, thank you so much.
Right,
Yes,
right.
yes.
next day's
I
outfit,
need that.
packing,
Yeah.
yeah, dry cleaning, yeah. So, we made every
And
inch
long
usable.
hanging, and and then all the doubles. And behind the door for all of my necklaces.
Right.
All of my necklaces will fit in here.
Yeah.
Oh, That is wonderful.
I'm so glad you like it.
This is like, more than I could have ever expected. It's
That was
so
what I was going
wonderful.
for.
Yes, and you did it. You did it. Oh my God. This is just so pretty. And everything just looks so good together.
Good, 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 good.
Oh wow. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my God, Tammy, thank you so much. Everything is incredible. I mean,
I'm
you
so glad
hit
you
it
like
on every room. Thank you. I want everybody to see this.
Home run, as Jeff would say. We hit a home
You
run.
hit a home run, right? It's wonderful. Thank
Good.
you.
Wow, that was incredible. I could not have asked for a better installation day. The guys did an amazing job. Sharon's over the moon about it. Everything turned out better than expected. Really happy with it. Good job, Closet Factory.
Hey, Tammy. Oh, it's been a couple weeks.
Yeah,
wait
yeah,
till
yeah.
you see. I'm in and starting to fill everything up. And believe it or not, it's amazing. I still have space. Yeah.
Good,
So,
that is
this
exactly
a
what I was
challenge.
hoping for.
Yeah, I can
Just
just
put my
start
bag
all
down.
over. Okay, let me show you. Yeah,
Okay,
put your
okay.
stuff down. And so starting with, coat closet. And so I'm able to put my short coats over here,
Right.
and all my albums from when my kids,
Perfect.
when they
Perfect.
were babies, and up there, and and I still have all that space up there.
Yeah, you
Isn't
haven't
that
even put
great?
anything
I
there. That's
know, I know.
great.
So yes,
And you still have some room for guests.
yeah, they can throw their
A
coats up
couple
there.
Okay.
And that'll work. And so this is
Perfect.
a
Exactly
coat
the way
closet
I
all to myself.
hope you would use it. Yep.
Yeah, and a few guests. So yeah, I love this.
Good,
This
good,
worked
good,
out great. And then this utility closet is fantastic. Look.
That's
And-
it. That's what you
Yeah,
needed it for.
Yeah, so I can put just about anything, and I love having the slat wall there because
It's
it gets
very
all
versatile.
of that off the floor.
Right, right.
Oh yeah, and all these shelves, so wonderful.
Yep. That was the
Yeah.
intent for that space.
Yeah.
Good,
so,
good.
Yeah, and I'm so glad that you came up with this space idea right here.
Right.
That it's just takes air and uses it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah,
That's what it does.
yeah,
It takes
what-
air and makes it usable.
That's creative genius. That's great. Okay, and then my linen closet.
Uh-huh.
And I always think linen closets are kind of boring.
Right.
But look at how much, the towels and the sheets, and I have room to put candles and then all the stuff you need for bathrooms.
Sundries, right.
Yeah, yeah. So
I'm glad we did 16 deep. A lot of
Uh-huh.
times you'll find 14-inch deep linen closets and
Yeah.
even 12. But you can see that the 16 holds sheets much better.
Oh,
You
yeah.
have room to push things back if you wanted and add another layer.
yeah, and they don't hang off the edge.
Exactly.
And it looks so much neater.
It does.
Yeah, that was a great suggestion. And the space was there, so
Exactly.
I'm glad you used it. Yeah, you're good at this. And then check this out. Okay, now of course this is the guest room.
Right.
And
You need to have some space.
I'm putting stuff in here, and it's whatever I need, but I have Christmas stuff I haven't taken out of storage yet.
Right,
And
right.
because, it's August.
Right.
I'll wait till September. But yeah, so probably within a month, I will be filling all of this up. But look at all the space I have.
Yeah, it's just
wonderful.
wonderful. It really is.
I know.
When you're downsizing, you really don't think
Yeah.
that that's going to be the case.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's nothing about this that's downsizing.
Right,
Yeah, you
right.
kind of made it upsizing.
All right, so let's go. I'm really dying to see the bedroom space.
Oh, I can't wait to
Okay,
show
good.
you. Yes, it looks so great. Wait till you see. All right, I turned the fireplace on for you so you can see how well it fits. And this is so perfect. handbags.
Yes, and yes.
And clutches right there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I know. That was just how I pictured it. And then, of course, the jewelry drawer.
Yes.
And yeah, room for some more too.
It's so convenient because you can see
Yeah.
everything you have.
I know.
And you can coordinate purse and jewelry.
Exactly. So I
Right.
have, and
Golly, you've got a ton of space in here.
and
Nice.
all the I filled everything.
Looks great,
Yeah,
Sharon.
it's space there, and yeah. So of course, in this cabinet, I have just some
Right,
work
right.
stuff.
Right.
And yeah, and then in all of these, then look, I even made a video drawer, so I have all my favorite videos. I got rid of a lot, and so I've got all the drawers filled, and they're not cram full. It's really nice.
Got space.
Yeah, I know. It's like you guys are incredible. I still have space. Yeah,
I have some
know.
things that I could put in there.
You
if you
would
need.
bring some over.
Some
Yeah.
storage I need. Let's see the closet.
All right. Started to say the closet's the best part, but I can't tell between the two which is the best. All right, here we go.
All
and I have clothes in it. And it's working. Look at all of this space, and got lots of room for heels. Space that I haven't used at the top yet, but I will.
You
And
will.
yeah, you know, and I'm able to. I'm a little ADD. I separate things.
That's
the colors.
that's
Yeah, and
exactly
so
how you should use these
yeah,
closets.
and so I'm able to do that. You know, like skirts and dresses, and summer sweaters, winter sweaters. Yeah.
It makes it so much easier to
Yeah.
find things. And you
And-
don't feel crowded, do you, when you're
No,
walking through?
no,
Good.
not at all.
Good.
And then here
Yeah, perfect.
yeah, look,
Perfect.
all the jewelry.
And what's great about
place for necklaces. Yeah.
Yeah, it's great because you can move all the pegs around.
Yeah.
So depending on the length of the necklace, and you can add pegs if you want to. Yeah, it's very,
Yeah.
very versatile.
And I can even slide them a little bit one
Yep.
way or the other, and
Yep.
then scarves could go
Oh,
there too.
yeah.
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 All right, good.
Great. Well, Tammy, this could not have been any better.
I love that you're living with it now. You're, once you start to live with it, it makes it so much more. Oh, I might let me move this and put it over here, because now you really can use all the functionality.
It really makes it home.
It's
And
up, right?
Yeah.
We got a 5-star review.
5-star.
Good.
Yes. This has been an unbelievable journey. I couldn't be happier with absolutely everything here. I've recommended them so many times, and when people from this condo, because everybody's curious about what's going on and what you're doing, I always invite them in. And the first thing when they walk into this room, like all the other rooms, the closets existed and they made good use of the space. But when they walk into the bedroom and the closet, and they're like, who did this? And I'm like, Closet Factory. Just call and ask for Tammy. You can buy these built-ins from the big brand name people, and there's several of them out there, and that's what they look like. They never quite look like they're good furniture, and now I have something that looks like a beautiful piece of woodwork, and which it is. That's exactly what it is. It's a beautiful piece of furniture.